Hi friends, welcome back. Happy Wednesday and welcome back to math for today. So for today's lesson, you are going to need your math worksheet from your packet and a pencil. So go ahead and pause the video if you still need to get those things. All right, friends. So for today, before we get started on our worksheet, we are going to practice our number identification cards. So you know the drill. As I hold them up, go ahead and say them along with me. 18, 12, 17, 7, 4, 19, 5, 3, 13, 1, 16, 6, 9, 10, 11, 2, 14, 15, 20, and 8. All right. And those were all of our numbers up to 20. And next we are going to do some addition fluency cards. So also, you know the drill for this one. We do it almost every day. So as I hold them up, say the answer out loud. So we're not going to say the whole number sentence out loud, only the answer. All right. 3, 4, 1, 4, 5, 4, 2, and 5. Awesome job. Alrighty, so now that we've done that, we are going to go ahead and jump into our worksheet for today. Our standard for today, or our learning target, is I can write and identify the number 18. All right, so go ahead and get your packet ready and your pencil ready as well. So the last number we learned about was the number 17. Today, we are going to learn about the next number on the number line, the number 18. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and trace the word 18. So go ahead and trace it as I do it and say the letters with me. E, I, G, H, T, E, E, N. That is how you spell the number 18. So now we've gotten practice writing the word and reading it. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the number. So the number 18 looks like a 1 and an 8 with the 1 in the front. So we're going to go ahead and trace our 18. And we're going to go ahead and keep tracing our dots. When you're writing your 1, make sure you start at the top and go down to the bottom. And we're just going to keep practicing our 18. So once you get to the spot with no dots and it's just blank, go ahead and try to practice writing your 18 3 more times. Make sure your finger spacing between your between your different 18s, just like you would finger space between your words. All right, so go ahead and write a few more 18s. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and do that. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at our 10 frames at the very top of the page. So we have 2 10 frames. We have a 10 frame that is completely full, which means it has 10 stars inside of it. And our next 10 frame is only part of the way full. So we have one group of 10 And in our next group that's not completely full, we have 8 stars. Let's go ahead and count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 stars. Very good. All right. Next, we see another resource on our page that we're familiar with by now. We see our number line, and the number 18 is circled on it. So we're also going to go ahead and circle that number 18 so we don't lose it. And now we're going to look at our write the missing number boxes. So very first thing, we're going to trace our dotted 18. Now let's look at the number line and see what number comes before 18 on the number line. So here's our number 18. What number comes before it? The number 17 comes before the number 18. So we're going to go ahead and write the number 17, 1 and a 7. All right, now let's look at our number line one more time and see what number comes after the number 18. The number 19 comes next. All right, so we're going to go ahead and write a 1 and a 9 to write the number 19. So let's go ahead and just count these 3 numbers together. 17, 18, 19, all in a row very nicely. All righty. So the next thing we're going to do is just like we saw the stars filling the 10 frames, we're going to write 18 circles in these 10 frames that are empty. All right, so let's go ahead and count with me as you write your circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have one group of 10. We filled a whole 10 frame all the way. Let's keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, so in this 10 frame, we filled 8 of them. So this shows us, again, that 18 is one group of 10 with 8 more with it. So a group of 10 and a group of 8 makes 18. So now that we've talked about that a little bit more, let's go ahead and look at our Unifix cubes. So on your paper, you see a picture of 10 blocks stacked on top of each other. So here we go. I have the actual 10 blocks stacked on top of each other, and this is what a group of 10 looks like. So if we were going to make our number 18, we would need one whole stack of these blocks because we have 10, and we would need 8 more blocks. All right, so we're going to have our 10, and then we're going to have 8 more. So let's count these and make sure we have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So we have one group of 10 and one group of 8, and together they make 18. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to color in 18 of these blocks. So first we're going to color in an entire group of 10, which is one whole line of blocks. And then we're going to go to our next stack of blocks and color in 8 of them. Awesome job. If you need to pause the video to do that, go ahead and do that. All right. So the last thing we need to do on this worksheet is fill in the blanks for our number sentences. So in this number sentence, we have 10 add blank equals 18. And we were talking about this during the whole worksheet. So 18 is a group of 10 and a group of 8 put together. So we have our group of 10 written down. Now we need to put our group of 8. So go ahead and write the number 8. And let's read this number sentence together. 10 add 8 equals 18 all together. Very good. Now we can look at this next number sentence and use our first one as a clue for what the answer needs to be. If you know the answer, go ahead and say it. That's right. Our last number sentence says 10, add 8, and we know that that is 18. So go ahead and write your 18 one last time. Whew, awesome job. That is our entire math worksheet for today. And that is all we have for you for math. So I will see you tomorrow on math. Have a great day, friends. Goodbye.